If you're having problems with the Wi-Fi in your house, we're going to take a look at how to have better Wi-Fi in your house with a product called Eero. Eero for better Wi-Fi in your house. Stay tuned to find out more. Hey everybody, we were having terrible Wi-Fi connections in my house. My house is about 2,000 square feet and it does not have an open floor plan, so we have a lot of we have a hallway that leads down to our bedrooms, and so I think that was part of the reason. So we had terrible Wi-Fi connection in our house, and my main routers in the very far back corner of my house, where my main desktop computer is, where I do my work on, and in our master bedroom trying to stream Netflix and things like that, we were always buffering in and out, and it was very frustrating. My daughter in her bedroom, a little farther away from ours, she basically couldn't even use the Wi-Fi in the house very much, and so it was a big problem. So I went to my local Best Buy and I was going to try to buy a Wi-Fi extender. I didn't really know anything about them. I was a little nervous about trying to do something with the Wi-Fi and try to fix it. And the young salesman there told me about this Eero system here, and it was more expensive, but he talked me into it, and I'm glad he did. He felt like I was not going to be happy with the Wi-Fi extender, and that if I got this Eero thing, I would be very happy with that, and that would take care of the problem. So I went ahead and purchased the Eero system, the main box there, and two extenders that plug into the outlets in the house, and we're very glad that we did, and it's been a tremendous difference for us, and we haven't really had any Wi-Fi problems to speak of. Rarely, very rarely, occasionally something happens, but for the most part it's been very reliable, and so I highly recommend you take a look at this. You spend a little more money, but you won't have to worry about Wi-Fi being bad in your house and people complaining about it anymore. So the Eero beacon is a full-fledged Wi-Fi access point that simply plugs into a standard outlets and easily extends your Wi-Fi connectivity to every device with more reliability than the standard Wi-Fi booster. So hooking this up was very easy, and so it also comes with an app that you download on your phone. And so I was nervous about it, but believe me, you can do it, and this will take care of it. Again, you're going to spend a little bit more money, but once you do it, you'll be good to go. A nice little added bonus with the Eero extender boxes that you plug into the outlets in your house are that they actually have a little night light that will come on when you turn the lights off. So you can see right here in this video in my hallway, turn the hallway light off, and so now if you're walking around at night and you don't want all the bright lights of the whole hallway lights on, you got a little night light that can guide you to wherever you need to go. So that's pretty cool, and we also have that benefit of that little night light in our kitchen as well. So that's something else to think about. Check the Eero out. Link in the description, guys. I know you'll like it. It'll cost a little more money, but it'll be worth it.